What's up, everyone? So the London session today gave a big move to the upside. We had a nice big push in London, and I know a lot of people struggle to sit on their hands and not get FOMO after a big push to the upside, after a missed move. And if I jump onto the charts and we've had a big push, there's a few things that I look for. So let's jump onto the chart now and I'll show you exactly what that is. So if we look at gold here, the London session gave a really nice big push to the upside. And there were a few entries that you could have caught on the way up, even including this long here. But if you didn't catch this long, don't worry. Don't start getting FOMO trying to long all the way up here. That's not the best thing, and that's not what I look to do. I personally wait for structure to form. When structure has formed, then I'll look to start trading again. And this range has formed is I simply find a level to buy above, and I simply find a level to sell below, and I wait for a closure above and below this range. So if you close below, I'm going to be looking for them sells down into some structure, and if I close above, I'm going to be looking to buy into these highs and further up. Okay, so like I say, I don't look after a big push in London like this. I don't look to just start, buying, FOMOing into the market, revenge trading up here. No, just wait for structures to form like we're seeing now. And then obviously once we close above and below, that'll give me the direction of where price wants to go. And it was the same here, look, we had a push to the upside. I'm not looking to FOMO into the market here. Simply wait for a pullback, wait for the range. When we break out like we did here, you've got this long push higher, which was actually the move in London today, okay? And it's the same process, look. Don't long here, look for the range, closure, push higher, and it's the same now, look. After this push, we've created that structure to then push higher and lower, depending on which way gold closes. So that's what I look for after a big push and how I look to re-enter the market after I've taken a trade, for example, down here, okay?